Want to earn $1,000? If yes, then watch the video till end. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest products and recommendations to supercharge your marketing journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable insights. Let's dive in. Earning $1,000 quickly through affiliate marketing depends on several factors, including your experience, niche selection, and marketing strategies. While there's no guaranteed way to make money fast in affiliate marketing, here are some steps you can take to increase your chances of earning $1,000. Choose the right niche. Select a niche that interests you and has a potential customer base. Ideally, it should be a niche with a demand for products or services and less competition. Research affiliate programs. Find affiliate programs or networks that offer products or services relevant to your chosen niche. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates. Build a website or blog. Create a website or blog focused on your niche. Your website will serve as a platform to promote affiliate products and provide valuable content to your audience. Create high-quality content. Publish informative, engaging, and SEO-optimized content that attracts your target audience. Solve their problems and answer their questions to build trust. Promote affiliate products. Integrate affiliate links naturally within your content and write compelling product reviews or recommendations. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Use paid advertising. If you have a budget, consider running paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Monitor and optimize. Track your affiliate marketing efforts using analytics tools. Adjust your strategies based on what's working and what isn't to maximize your earnings. Diversify income streams. Don't rely on a single affiliate program or product. Diversify your income by promoting multiple products or services across different niches. Remember that success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to providing value to your audience. Building a sustainable affiliate marketing income typically takes time, so focus on creating a long-term strategy rather than looking for quick wins. Thank you for watching today's video on affiliate marketing. We hope you found it valuable and informative. For more tips, reviews, and recommendations, comment below. Stay connected with us for even more insights and updates. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.